How to generate an affiliate QR code for event tickets on the Scene app. Step 1. Open the Scene app. Step 2. Log into your account. Step 3. Go to your affiliate's dashboard. Step 4. Scroll down to the links section and click Copy to Clipboard. Step 5. Open your browser. Step 6. Paste the link. Step 7. Go to Events. Step 8. Choose the event. Step 9. Copy the URL. Step 10. Return to your affiliate dashboard. Step 11. Scroll down to the links section and paste the link on the first text box. Step 12. Click Copy to Clipboard. Step 13. Go back to your browser. Step 14. Paste the link and go. Step 15. Scroll down. Step 16. Locate your affiliate QR code. Step 17. Click Download. Step 18. Check your downloads folder. Congratulations! You have successfully generated an affiliate QR code for event tickets on the Scene app. Share it with your friends on Instagram and Facebook, or have them scan it directly to buy tickets. You'll get your commissions in the evening of the same day. Good luck!